Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Volvo XC90 versus a truck. We'll explore their fundamental differences, starting with their core purposes. The XC90 is a sophisticated family SUV, prioritizing safety and comfort for passengers. In contrast, a truck is engineered for robust commercial tasks, focusing on cargo capacity and towing power. Understanding these distinct roles is key to appreciating their unique designs. Next, let's look at size and capacity. The Volvo XC90 comfortably accommodates up to 7 people, with flexible seating and decent storage for luggage or groceries. Trucks, however, are built for serious hauling. Their cargo beds or trailers can manage immense loads, often weighing many tons. This significant difference in capacity directly reflects their intended uses, from family trips to industrial logistics. Now, let's consider performance and the driving experience. The XC90 delivers a luxurious and quiet ride, perfect for long journeys or city commutes, with agile handling. Trucks, on the other hand, are designed for power and durability. They feature high-torque engines and heavy-duty components to manage demanding tasks, resulting in a very different feel behind the wheel, prioritizing utility over nimble performance. Finally, we'll examine safety and technology. The Volvo XC90 is renowned for its cutting-edge safety innovations, including numerous driver assist features and a premium interior experience. Trucks prioritize fundamental safety for heavy-duty work, often with more basic cabin amenities focused on functionality. While both are safe, the XC90 integrates more advanced comfort and convenience technologies for its passengers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.